Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try triangles. You'll need colors. Trace the triangle to make a pizza slice. I'm going to use this light orange marker. Pizza. Trace the triangles. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use a red marker. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yum! Tortilla chips and salsa. Draw more triangles to make chips. Oh, so these are the tortilla chip triangles. And here's the salsa. I'm going to use a black marker to draw more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to use a yellow crayon to color them in. How many chips did you draw? Let's count and write our answer with a black marker. 1, 2, 3, 4. We drew 4 tortilla chips. Great work, everyone! It was so fun doing this activity with you. I can't wait to see you for our next activity, ovals.